Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for fire sign Leo, you person current feelings and their action. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. And this reading is from June 21st to June 30th. So let's see you person current feelings towards you Leo. Lot of Leo fire sign. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Wheel of Fortune, 4 of Pentacles, 6 of Swords. I think things are turning. Wheel of Fortune is things are turning in your favor. Your person is not expressive in past. They are stubborn. 6 of Swords, this could be long distance relationship between both of you. And there is a communication also between both of you or less communication. I think your person want to sort out things between both of you. So I think it is things turning in your favor Leo. So they want to express their feelings now. In past they couldn't. So they didn't. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. I want clarification cards here for Wheel of Fortune. Oh, 5 of Pentacles. For 4 of Pentacles, clarification card 4 of Cups. For 6 of Swords, clarification card Page of Cups. Yes, there is separation between both of you in past, but your person want to offer apology to you. Definitely they want to convey their apologies to you what they did to you past, because they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. And 5 of Pentacles, definitely there is separation, but things are turning in your favor Leo right now. So they are thinking right now to come towards you and convey their apologies to you. So let's see the near future actions towards you Leo. Your person near future actions towards you. Guilt, 8 of Swords. They are stuck right now. They are stuck. Beyond illusion, Judgment. Playfulness, Knight of Wands. Page of Wands, sorry. So definitely communication is coming in your way. I think your person is younger than you, or you may be younger than your person. Definitely Judgment. They want to reconciliation with you, and they're feeling stuck and they're feeling guilty for what they did to you. Definitely they want to come towards you and they want to message you and they want to communicate you. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe for final message Leo. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. The burden, 6 of Swords, 2 times 6 of Swords here. Six of Wands, wow, success. You or your person could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Could be water sign also, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Breakthrough, Justice, and friendliness, 2 of Cups. Yes, you both have love for each other, 2 of Cups. And breakthrough, Justice, and Judgment. Definitely there is a chance for reconciliation. Your person wants success with you. They want to come towards you and offer their love to you and express their feelings to you. So reconciliation is coming. It's up to you to accept their offer or not. Definitely they're feeling this love towards you. So this is the reading for you Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.